Students, welcome to the mathematics online classes. In up to here, we have studied about inverse of 6 trigonometric functions, sine, cos, tan, all those, and also we have studied 6 properties. Before solving the problems here, you revise all those properties we have studied. Okay, now we will solve the problems here. One example is there. Find the principal value of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. Principal value. First of all, before writing the value, you should write its a principal value branch. What is the principal value branch of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3? That is a open interval 0, pi. Open interval 0, pi, 0 to 180 degree. Within that value, I should write a value for cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. Very simple it is. Cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to, we have cot inverse of negative value. To solve cot inverse of negative values, what you do, you use the property that is cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse of x, so that you will solve it easily. Okay, cot inverse of minus x type it is pi minus cot inverse of 1 by root 3. Now it is very simple. Pi minus of cot inverse of 1 by root 3. Just to remember, cot of which angle gives you 1 by root 3, that is a 60 degree. Cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. So cot inverse of 1 by root 3 is nothing but pi by 3. You can remember that first year table. Cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Cot inverse is equal to, cot inverse of 1 by root 3 is equal to 60 degree. In radians it is a pi by 3. So cross multiply. 3 pi minus pi by 3 is nothing but 2 pi by 3. So principal value of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3 is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. 2 into 60 degree, 120 degree. 120 degree, yes, it is within the defined interval 0 to 180 degree. Now coming to the exercise 2.1. Here heading is that find the principal value of the following. Many problems they have given you under the single heading, that is find the principal value of. Coming to the first question in that, we have sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. What you do? First of all, you write the principal value branch of sine inverse. What is the principal value branch of sine inverse? That is closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Within that, we should write a value for this. Okay, here we have sine inverse of one negative value is there. Sine inverse of negative, use the property sine inverse of minus x is equal to, we have minus sine inverse of x. Yes, you write. This is minus sine inverse of 1 by 2, which is equal to minus of sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine of which angle gives us 1 by 2, that is 30 degree. 30 degree in radians pi by 6. Very simple. Still, if you are not getting how to write this, you revise the table once again which you have studied in SSLC. That is sine, cos, tan for all those 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, like that. Just we are writing the reverse of that. Here what I am doing, sine 30 degree is equal to, means sine pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. This can be written as sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Such a simple thing I am doing here. Now coming to the second question, cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Cos inverse of root 3 by 2, principal value we need to write here. What is the principal value branch? Principal value branch is 0 to pi, closed interval 0 to pi. Within that interval we need to write a value for this. That is cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Cos inverse of positive value is there. Directly we can write the value answer. Which angle gives us root 3 by 2 for cos? Cos of 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. All of us know that cos 30 degree means cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. This can be written as cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. So answer here is pi by 6. These are all one mark questions, so directly we can write the answers. Next, cosecant inverse of 2. What is cosecant inverse of 2? Principal value branch, right? Principal value branch is closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 except 0 in this. This is the principal value branch. Okay. Cosecant inverse of 2. Cosecant of which angle gives us 2 for us, that is 30 degree again. Sin 30 degree we know, that is 1 by 2. Cosec 30 will be reciprocal of that 2. Cosec 30 is a 2. So cosecant inverse of 2 is a 30 degree. Very simple. 30 degree means pi by 6. Are you writing the value within the principal value branch or not? Yes, we are writing inside the means within that interval. Here you see, this is taking the values from minus 90 to plus 90. Minus 90 to plus 90. Yes, we are writing the 30 degree means it is within the defined interval. Coming to the fourth one, tan inverse of minus root 3. It is like again coming to the principal value branch. Principal value branch is open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. We have tan inverse of negative value. Tan inverse of negative value. Use the property tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse of x. Okay. Tan inverse of minus root 3 is equal to, using that, minus tan inverse of root 3. Minus of tan of which angle gives you root 3? 60 degree. 60 degree in radians is pi by 3. So principal value of tan inverse of minus root 3 is minus pi by 3. Coming to this fifth one, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, you see cos inverse of negative value is there. As cos inverse of negative value is there, you use the property, that is cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. I can write cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Pi minus of, what is cos inverse of 1 by 2? Cos of which angle gives us 1 by 2? 60 degree. 60 degree means pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3, answer 2 pi by 3. These are about first 5 problems of NCERT. Now we will go to the next one. Exercise 2.1, problem number 6. We have find the principal value of tan inverse of minus 1. Sixth one, that is tan inverse of minus 1. Very simple again. Within the value means minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. We need to write a value for this. Tan inverse of minus 1. We have tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse of x as the property. Use that property first. Tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus tan inverse of 1. Tan of which angle gives you 1? All of us know that tan 45 degrees is 1. Means here tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4 in radians, that is pi by 4. Coming to question number 7 in this. Question number 7 we have secant inverse of 2 by root 3. Secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is there. Secant of which angle gives you 2 by root 3? You remember cos values. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of that. Very simple. Secant. What is the principal value branch? Principal value branch is closed interval 0 to pi except 90 degree in this. Fine. Okay. We have anyhow directly positive value is there. Secant inverse of positive value 2 by root 3, that is 30 degree. 30 degree in radians pi by 6. Such a simple question it is. Fine. Or else once I will explain it once again. Suppose you don't want to solve directly like this. What you do? Secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is equal to, you take y. This is 2 by root 3 is equal to secant y according to the definition of inverse trigonometric functions. 2 by root 3 in terms of secant you should write, or still if you don't want to use the secant values, you go with cos. You take the reciprocal on both sides. Taking reciprocal, root 3 by 2 is equal to, this is 1 by secant y. Root 3 by 2 is equal to secant y. 1 by secant y is nothing but a cos y. Root 3 by 2 you write in terms of cos. What is root 3 by 2 in terms of cos? That is again cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is cos pi by 6, which is equal to cos y. Cos get cancelled. We have y is equal to pi by 6. Y is equal to pi by 6 in the sense secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is equal to pi by 6. Again we are getting the same thing. Better you remember the table and write it directly. With that, question number 7 completed. Going to question number 8, we have cot inverse of root 3. Cot inverse of root 3. What is cot inverse of root 3? Cot of which angle gives you root 3? Cot 30 degree. Okay. Cot 30 degree gives us root 3 by root 3. Hence we will write cos pi by 6 as the answer directly. Here we are writing it because cot 30 degree, cot pi by 6 is equal to root 3. This implies cot inverse of root 3 is equal to pi by 6. Fine. That is about question number 8. Coming to question number 9 in the exercise 2.1. What question number 9 says? That is cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. Cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. Cos inverse of a negative value is there. Hence you use the property using cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. You should remember the principal value branch also. Cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 is equal to pi minus cos inverse of 1 by root 2. Pi minus, right, as it is, cos inverse of 1 by root 2. Cos of which angle gives you 1 by root 2? That is cos of 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is in radians, you can write cos pi by 4. So cos inverse of 1 by root 2 is nothing but pi by 4. Yes, you cross multiply, this is nothing but 3 pi by 4. Principal value branch of cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, we will check is it lying inside the principal value branch or not. Principal value branch for cos inverse is a closed interval 0 to pi, 0 to 180 degree. 3 pi by 4 in the sense of 3 into 45 degree, 135. Yes, it is lying inside the principal value branch. Coming to question number 10 in the exercise. What is question number 10? Question number 10 is cosecant inverse of minus root 2. Cosecant inverse of minus root 2. Cosecant inverse of negative value is that use the property using cosecant inverse of minus x is equal to minus cosecant inverse of x. Okay, we have cosecant inverse of minus root 2 is equal to minus cosecant inverse of root 2. Okay, minus of cosecant of which angle gives you root 2? It is 45 degree. 45 degree in radians, pi by 4. So principal value branch is principal value of cosecant inverse of minus root 2 is minus pi by 4. This is about question number 10. Now coming to question number 11. Question number 11 says find the value of the following. First one, question number 11, that is find the value of what we have here. tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 again. We need to write the value of this. Again, simple concept it is. See, tan inverse of 1 means you can write it directly, that is 45 degree. But a cos inverse of negative value is there and a sin inverse of negative value is there here. For that you use the properties. Using the properties, what are those? Sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse of x, and cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. Okay, we are solving our problem. Tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2, which is equal to tan inverse of 1. We can write it directly. Let me put once again same tan inverse of 1. I am using the property here, cos inverse of minus x property, that is pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. And here we see sin inverse of minus x is nothing but minus sin inverse of x. This is minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Now you write the values of all these. Tan inverse of 1 is 45. So we will write pi by 4 plus pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos of which angle gives you 1 by 2? That is 60 degree. Cos of 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Means the cos inverse of 1 by 2 is 60 degree. 60 degree in radians, pi by 3 minus of sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin of which angle gives you 1 by 2? 30 degree. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 means sin inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. In radians it is pi by 6. We will simplify it now. Pi by 4 plus pi minus of, this is 60 degree and this one is 30 degree. 60 plus 30 is nothing but 90. Pi by 2 I can write. Very simple to evaluate. 30 degree plus 60 degree. Minus is taken common there. 90 degree. Fine. Now pi by 4 plus of, pi means 180 degree. 180 minus 90 is 90. Pi by 2. Now you multiply with 2 and divide with 2 so that denominators will become same. Denominator is 4. We have pi plus 2 pi divided by 4. 3 pi by 4 is the answer. So value of tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 pi by 4. That is about problem number 11. Coming to problem number 12. What is problem number 12? Problem number 12 is find the value of cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 times sin inverse of 1 by 2. Simple one it is. You write cos inverse of 1 by 2. Anyhow positive value is there. Directly we can write cos of which angle gives you 1 by 2? 60 degree is nothing but pi by 3 in radians plus 2 times sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin of which angle gives you 1 by 2? 60 degree. 60 degree is nothing but sin inverse of 1 by 2. Which angle gives you? That is 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Means sin inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Okay. We will write here sin inverse of 1 by 2 as 30 degree. 30 degree means pi by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Answer 2 pi by 3. That is about problem number 12 in the exercise 2.1. Now coming to problem number 13. Problem number 13 is a multiple choice question. It says, problem number 13, if sin inverse of x is equal to y, then see we have sin inverse of x is equal to y, then what it is? Option A, he says 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi. Option B, minus pi by 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi by 2. Option C, 0 less than y less than pi. Option D, minus pi by 2 less than y less than pi by 2. These are the four options given here. See which one is correct. If sin inverse of x is equal to y, sin inverse of x is equal to y is there means here, what is that value this can be? Sin inverse of, if you substitute these domain values of minus 1 to plus 1, what are the values it gives us? It gives us in the closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Sin inverse. Closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Closed interval is there. Is this possible? No. 0 to pi, 0 to 180 degree, it is given y values. No, it is not possible. Second one, yes, second one correct. Less than or equal to means including this minus pi by 2. Here less than or equal to means including this plus pi by 2. Okay. Third one is also not possible. Fourth one is also wrong because it is given simply less than. Here less than is there means it excludes the end point. It gives us minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2 also. Hence fourth one is also not possible. Only correct answer is B. Thank you.